back pain, shoulder tension. That 3 p.m. slump where you just can't focus anymore. Sound familiar? For the last 6 months, I've been on a mission, a painful, expensive, but absolutely crucial mission. I've tested, sat in, and literally torn apart over 50 office chairs. From hidden Amazon gems to the luxury brands that charge you a month's rent. And what I found will shock you. The most comfortable chair for 2026 isn't the most expensive. And one brand you've never heard of is about to dominate. In this video, I'm revealing the only 5 chairs you should consider this year. Number 3 will change everything you know about ergonomics, and the winner is a masterpiece of comfort you can get delivered by tomorrow. Number 1. Branch Verve Chair. This ergonomic office chair is designed with 6 essential points of adjustment, allowing users to customize their sitting experience for optimum comfort. The adjustments include the ability to modify the seat height and depth, tilt and tilt lock feature, lumbar height, and the adjustment of armrest height. These features cater to individual preferences and body types, ensuring that every user can find their ideal seating position. The ergonomic design of this office desk chair incorporates a carefully contoured seat and a sculpted V-shaped back, which provides integrated support for the spine. This thoughtful design promotes an ergonomic seating experience that encourages and supports healthy posture, especially during long hours of work at your desk. By aligning the body correctly and providing necessary support, this chair can help reduce discomfort and strain that often accompanies prolonged sitting. Number 2. FLEXISPOT ErgoX-PRO. Choose between the CloudTech cushion and the AeroWeave 5.0 mesh seat, each tailored for specific user needs. The CloudTech cushion is designed to provide plush, long-hour comfort, making it the perfect choice for those who spend extended periods working in the office or relaxing in the bedroom. Its soft and supportive material ensures that users can enjoy a cozy experience throughout their workday or leisure time. On the other hand, the AeroWeave 5.0 mesh seat features a breathable design that promotes cooling airflow, making it an ideal option for gaming marathons. This seat is engineered to keep users comfortable even during long hours of intense gaming sessions, preventing overheating and ensuring optimal performance. Number 3. HOOOWOOO Mid. The chair features a high back that provides excellent lumbar, back, and shoulder support, ensuring that it conforms to the natural curves of your body. This design promotes a comfortable sitting experience, allowing you to spend hours at a time without the discomfort that often comes from prolonged sitting. One of the standout features is their versatile back tilt adjustment mechanism. You can easily pull out the lock and loosen the knob to enable a rocking motion, which can help alleviate tension and provide dynamic movement during your work or leisure time. Additionally, there are 3 distinct back tilt angles available, so you can adjust the chair to suit various activities, whether you're working at a desk, enjoying a good book, watching entertainment, or simply taking a quick nap. Number 4. TOMU Genuine Leather. This exquisite genuine leather lounge chair and ottoman set is not only a piece of furniture but a statement of luxury, making it an exceptional addition to a high-end executive office, a contemporary living room, a cozy bedroom, or an inspiring study. Crafted with care, the chair features premium top-grain leather that offers both durability and a luxurious feel. The design showcases a sophisticated multidimensional wave that beautifully contours to the shape of your body, promising unparalleled comfort and a contemporary aesthetic that complements various interior styles. Thumbs up sign leather swivel lounge chair with adjustable headrest and ottoman. If you are in search of a reading chair that combines elegance with functionality, look no further. This luxurious leather lounge chair is meticulously designed for individuals who expertly juggle between professional tasks and leisurely pursuits. Number 5. TOMU Executive Office Chair. This genuine leather executive chair by TOMU is expertly crafted to not only enhance your comfort but also to redefine the relationship you have with your workspace. The chair features a customizable backrest that can be adjusted to your preferred angle, whether you're working diligently, enjoying a good book, or simply taking a moment to relax. For additional leg support, the chair includes an extendable footrest, which is particularly beneficial in reducing strain during long hours of sitting. When the footrest is not in use, it can easily be retracted, allowing for a clean and streamlined appearance. The premium quality of the leather used in this office chair speaks for itself. Upholstered in top-grain real leather, this executive office chair provides a luxurious feel that is unmatched. It is designed to withstand the test of time, being resistant to scratches, stains, peeling, and cracking, ensuring it maintains its elegance and functionality over years of use. So, which of these 5 throne-worthy contenders is calling your name? Is it the budget king, the ergonomic marvel, or the undisputed champion? Let me know your pick in the comments below. I read every single one. Ready to upgrade your work-from-home life or finally fix that terrible office seat? All product links for your buy, with the best prices I could find, are waiting for you in the video description. If this deep dive saved you hours of research and potentially thousands of dollars, do me a solid, smash that like button, share this with your remote work group chat, and subscribe. Hit the bell because next week, I'm exposing the biggest lighting mistake that's killing your productivity. You don't want to miss it. Stay comfortable.